Yogi Fam, and welcome to your mat. Today's practice is a preparation for handstand. This is great for beginners. It's based on working on the flexibility, strength, and mobility of wrists, shoulders, and a forward fold. Let's begin with these simple 3. Come to palms and knees, and let's just take a few cat-cows here. Breathing in, lifting your gaze, nice strong straight arms, pressing into the mat, and as you exhale, sequentially tucking the pelvis forward, finding that strong C arc in the spine and puffing out the back of your shoulders, maybe chin falls to chest. And like this again, inhaling, breathing all the way through the body and through the movement, and exhaling at the top of the breath. And feeling the protraction in the back of the shoulders. Breathing up as you exhale, as you press away from the mat with your palms and you puff out the back of your shoulders, that's protraction. And this is something that we use. So start to feel into the sensation of this movement. It will be very useful in your handstand posture. Good, warming up the shoulders and the back. And now just begin to glide gently forward. And you'll feel some pressure on your palms. Exhale, allow the bum to come toward the heels. It's like a child's pose, but we're not completely surrendering. Just gliding forward and backward. Keep pressing into the mat with your palms. Forward glide, last time. Exhale, back. Good. Rise up to the palms, and now turn the fingers out to the wide edge of the mat. Palms are still shoulder width apart. And now we're going to glide from side to side, very gently. Good. And now we'll take a lateral spinal movement. So gliding the left hips to the left side of the mat, gazing over the right shoulder with your chin, and then gliding to the right side. So the hips will take a little bit of the weight here off of the wrists, just gliding from side to side, creating a little more mobility in the tiny muscles and ligaments and tendons in our hands and wrists. And exhale, come back to a child's pose and reach the palms out in front of you and surrender your forehead to the mat. Next breath in, rise back up to table. This time, draw the palms in the opposite direction, fingers pointing toward your knees. And as you take a breath in, glide super gently forward, and exhale, glide backwards. You'll feel the inside of that forearm start to elongate. Be super careful and gentle. Don't push yourself too hard because you don't want to cause yourself injury. We're just preparing our hands, our wrists, our elbows, our shoulders to be able to begin working on a handstand. Good. Come back over the palms and very gently turn the palms around. And exhale, sit all the way back to a child's pose. Lengthen your arms out in front of you and surrender your forehead to the mat. And take a nice breath in here. Exhale. I invite you to tent your fingers high and press the elbows, keeping the arms nice and straight. Reach the elbows to the outside of your mat and then let them drop down again, not droop. Inhale, reaching the elbows wide. Just creating a little bit of rotation of the upper arm. Again, let the elbow go wide and relax the elbow down to the mat. Keep the arms nice and long and straight. And rest the palms down. Take a breath in and out. Rise onto the knees in Virasana, Hero's Pose. Extend the right arm first and gently take the left fingertips and draw the right fingertips back towards your right shoulder very gently. Good. And release. And take the thumb and draw it toward the back of your wrist gently. And release. Straighten the other arm and hand. Draw back the fingers first. Opening up the inside of the forearm. And then come to the thumb and just draw the thumb back toward the back of the wrist. Opening up the palm, the mound of flesh below your thumb. Yes, and bring the palms back down. Inhale to bring both arms forward and make a fist. Put the thumb inside the fist and bring the arms in front of you, just folding the arms in front of you, and then circling this entire fist, first inward and then outward. Good. And relaxing the palms down, maybe give them a little shake. And take hold of your block. Bring your block onto your knees. Palms are holding on to either side of the block. And take a breath in as you do. Lift up the block by squeezing the palms together. Exhale. Take the palms back, block to the knees. Inhale, bring them arms straight in front of you. And exhale, block to the knees. Inhale again, reaching the arms long, keeping them straight, squeezing the block together, and exhaling down to the knees. This time, inhaling, same thing, pressing in, starting to feel some fire in your shoulders, reaching just above the forehead, and exhale all the way down. One more just like that. Reaching long, squeezing. Now rounding the shoulders and coming up. So you're protracting the shoulders, you're actually rounding the very back of your shoulders. Come all the way down. This time, as you inhale, you'll take the palms all the way overhead and gaze toward the block. Exhale, lower down, keep squeezing, keep feeling the warmth coursing through your arms, your shoulders, your back. Inhale again, lift up, gaze at the block. Big breath in and exhale. And leave the block long ways at the top of your mat. Come onto your toes, plant your palms, and make your way to downward facing dog. Might take a breath in and exhale. When you're ready, take a little walk all the way up to the palms to a forward fold. And you might grasp either elbow, and you could have micro bend in the knees and fold your belly over your thighs. And maybe you sway from side to side, decompressing the spine. If you find that you are very flexible and you can already reach your palms to the mat, then you may step onto the block very, very carefully and extend beyond the block. This is an effective flexibility exercise for the handstand. Helps to open up the back of your hamstrings, your hips, and your low back. And it also starts to create that feeling of having your head below your heart, which is sometimes a fear of a first-time handstand practitioner, because it feels different and a bit scary. Inhale and exhale. And you may step off of your block and sit all the way down onto your bum and straight legs out in front of you. If you would rather try this extension exercise, you can put the block at the end of your feet. You might breathe in, reach up, and as you exhale, find the length and draw your heart toward your thighs. And breathe. And just allow the lengthening to occur. And release. So we've worked on three things, primarily the wrists and the hands for flexibility, mobility, and strengthening. Also the shoulders, especially opening the shoulders and protracting the shoulders behind you. And lastly, we worked on our forward fold, which will help you compress your body and find your alignment when you do get to the next part of the practice, which will be working on the wall. So I hope you enjoy this handstand prep. If you have any questions or comments, leave them for me below. Namaste.